Welcome to my channel ICT Vlog. Today we learn how to conversion of decimal to binary number. Today we learn conversion of decimal to binary number. So let's do some practice. First let's do decimal number 99 to binary number. If we want to do that, then we have to divide 99 by 2. Now 99 divided by 2. Then the question is 49 and the remainder is 1. That's our questions and that's 1 is our remainder. That remainder 1 is called LSB, means least significant bit. Again divide 49 by 2. Then the question is 24 and the remainder is 1. Again 24 divided by 2. The question is 12 and remainder is 0. That 12 divided by 2. The question is 6 and remainder is 0. That 6 divided by 2. Then the question is 3 and the remainder is 0. Again 3 divided by 2. The question is 1 and the remainder is 1. But now we have to divide that question by 2, but that question is less than that 2. Since the question 1 is less than that 2, here it is not possible to divide 1 by 2. So there is no question, that is our question is 0 and that 1 will be remainder. That 1 is called MSB, means most significant bit. Now we'll count all remainder and we need to count from bottom to top. We need to count from bottom to top. So our answer is decimal number 99 equal to binary number 11000011. Now again let's see. Now let's see what will be decimal number 75 equal to binary number. 75 divided by 2. Then the question is 37, remainder is 1. 37 divided by 2. The question is 18 and the remainder is 1. 18 divided by 2. The question is 9, remainder 0. 9 divided by 2. Question 4, remainder 1. 4 divided by 2. The question is 2 and remainder 0. 2 divided by 2. The question is 1 and the remainder is 0. Again 1 divided by 2. But since 1 is less than 2, so it is not possible to divide 1 by 2. So there is no question, that is question is 0 and 1 will be the remainder. We have to count bottom to top. We have to count bottom to top. So our answer is decimal number 75 equal to binary number 1001011. Here is our decimal number 25. Okay, do yourself what will be the binary number. I think you have completed. Okay, let's see. 25 divided by 2, the question is 12 and remainder is 1. 12 divided by 2, question 6, remainder 0. 6 divided by 2, remainder 6 divided by 2, questions 3, remainder 0. 3 divided by 2, questions 1, remainder 1. 1 divided by 2, so question is 0, remainder 1. Answer: decimal number 99 equal to binary number 11001. So far we have seen integer, decimal number to binary number. Now we'll learn how to do fraction decimal number to binary number. Here is our fraction decimal number is 0.375. Now if we want to do binary number conversion from fraction decimal number, then we must multiply 0.375 by 2. If we do that, then we got 0.750 and integer is 0. Here is our fraction number and here is our integer. Again the number multiply 0.750 by 2, then we got fraction number 0.500 and the integer 1. Again multiply 0.500 by 2, then we got fraction number 000 or no fraction number and our integer number is 1. So we have to count top to bottom. So our answer is decimal number 0.375 equal to binary number 0.011. Again another one. Here our fraction decimal number is 0.1875. Multiply by 0.1875 by 2, then we get 0.3750 as fraction and 0 as integer. Fraction, integer. Again multiply 0.3750 by 2, we got integer 0 and the fraction is 0.7500. Again multiply by 2 that fraction number, then we got 0.5000 as fraction and 1 as integer. Again 0.5000 by, again multiply 0.5000 by 2, we get integer 1 and fraction 0. So again we have to count top to bottom. Again we have to count top to bottom. So our answer is decimal number 0.1875 equal to binary number 0.0011. Let's do another one. Multiply 0.05 by 2. We got integer 0 and fraction is 0.10. Again multiply 0.10 by 2. We got integer 0 and fraction is 0.20. Again multiply 0.20 by 2. We got 0 integer and fraction 0.40. 0.40 multiply by 2, multiply 0.40 by 2. We got 0 as integer and 0.80 as fraction. Multiply 0.80 by 2. At last, now we got 1 integer and fraction is 0.60. Now 0.60 multiply by 2. We got 1 integer and 0.20 as fraction. Here we see that 0.20, that 0.20 is equal, so the rest of that math will again and again. Rest of that math will be again and again. So we have to stop here. Now our answer is decimal number 0.05 equal to binary number 0.000011 up to infinity. So long we used the method to convert from decimal to binary is little difficult, long and formal. But the method we will use now is little simple but not formal. Let's see. Here we see that 2 to the power 0 equal to 1, 2 to the power 1 equal to 2, 2 to the power 2 equal to 4, 2 to the power 3 equal to 8, 2 to the power 4 equal to 16, 2 to the power 5 equal to 32, 2 to the power 6 equal to 64, 2 to the power 7 equal to 128, and 2 to the power 8 will 256. Now if we want to convert that decimal number 99 to binary number, then here we see that 2 to the power 7 equal to 128. It is greater than 99. So 2 to the power 6 equal to 64. It's smaller than 99. Now so we wrote 1 down along 64. Now 2 to the power 6 equal to 64. Now, 99 minus 64 equal to 35. Our rest number is 35. Here 2 to the power 5 equal to 32. It's less than 64. So again we wrote 1 down along with that 32. Now 35 minus 32, we have 3. Here 2 to the power 2 to the power 2 equal to 4, more than 3, but 2 to the power 1 equal to 2. So we wrote 1 down along with 2. We have 3 minus 2 equal to 1. We have 1. So 2 to the power 0 equal to 1. So again we wrote 1 down along with that 1. But still we have 3 place. So we put 0 of that empty space. So we'll write down 0 of that empty space. So 0 0 0. Our answer is 99 equal to 1 1 0 0 0 1 1. Let's see another one. Now we write down a bigger number. Here 230, 256 is bigger than 230. Now 128 is suitable for that number because 128 is smaller than 230. So 2 to the power 7 equal to 128. So we wrote 1 down along with 128. Now we have 102 or 102. Nearest smaller number is 64. So 2 to the power 6 equal to 64. Now again 1 along with 64. 102 minus 64 equal to 38. So our nearest small number is 32. 2 to the power 5 equal to 32, and 1 along with that 32, and we have 6. 38 minus 32 equal to 6. The suitable number will be 4, because it is the nearest smaller number of 6. So 2 to the power 2 equal to 4. 1 with that, along with that 4. Okay, we have 2 to the power 1 equal 2 to the power 1 equal to 2. So 1 with along 2 and to the power 2 equal to 0. So we will put 0 that empty number. So we'll write 0 along with empty space. So we'll write 0 in empty space. Thank you.